welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today's video is a requested video. If you remember back to the summer, I did the vegan barbecue ribs, which are so yummy, and I'll drop that link in the description box as well as right up here for you to click it. But I featured my collard greens and cornbread, and a few of you commented and said, hey sis, I'm gonna need that cornbread recipe. So that's what this video is gonna cover today, and if you're interested, stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. So to get started, I'm gonna combine all the ingredients: flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, salt, melted vegan butter, and non-dairy milk. And I'm just going to use my hand mixer to get everything nice and smooth and mixed well. If your cornbread mixture is too thick, then add a little bit more milk. If your cornbread mixture is too thin, then just add a little more flour and cornmeal. Now, when it's time to bake, you want to go ahead and lightly grease your pan and pour your cornbread mixture into it and bake for about 20 to 24 minutes. The way you can tell when it's done is just take a toothpick and put it in multiple places, and if it comes out clean, then it is all done. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with a honey butter glaze. And I'm using vegan honey, and I'll show it to you in a second. I got it off of Amazon, and it tastes really good. And I'm just going to melt that with some butter, mix it together, and pour over top and spread it evenly over the cornbread. Who remembers my vegan barbecue ribs video? Well, you might have remembered I plated it with some cornbread, and this is the same exact recipe that I used that day. So it pairs very well with my vegan barbecue ribs and collard greens. And let me know if you guys want that collard green recipe. If so, I will do a video for you guys. Alright, so let me know what you think of this cornbread recipe. It does not get any easier than this. You can whip this out in a matter of minutes and have it in the oven and be done in less than like 25 minutes. It's amazing. For me, just so you guys know, I prefer my cornbread to be somewhat similar to cake-like. So I like mine on the sweeter side, and I also like it nice and moist and like fluffy and you know, all that. So that's kind of what this, I mean, not kind of, but that's how this recipe is. If that's not the style of cornbread that you're into, then this one might not be for you. But I say still give it a try, because you just never know. It's delicious. So let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.